markets, and you typically
Yep, sorry. Go ahead. Yep.
you typically see rest of world outperforming US, which is this green line here. So the shaded gray areas are your dollar
Oh,
bear
no, no, no,
market.
wait a minute. I can't see.
You
I can't
can't
see
see,
anything. Yeah.
right? And that's a problem. Give me a sec. You see it now?
Mm. Yep.
Okay, so I'll just go back then. That's the dollar breakdown. So we still
Yep.
capped at that 100 area. The second point then was typically in the dollar bear markets, which are the shaded gray areas. That's where you see bull market typically in commodities, but you also see rest of world continue to outperform.
Mm.
It's also worth noting it's not just a dollar weakness story because the rest of world last year, June, finally broke out from this 15-year bear market pattern where the US, broke out in 2013. So this is a more mature move with the rest of the world only recently breaking out. So you've got absolute breakout and you've got dollar weakness should
Yep.
reinforce this relative re-rating of rest of world versus world. So that's the bigger picture side. Again, just bullish on commodities over
All
government
right.
bonds. So that hasn't changed. But I think the near term situation is obviously more focused on the deterioration in US tech. But I think this again just reinforces the idea on why rest of the world outperforms. So maybe just to show you this chart is that the S&P is 32% tech, where the rest of
Mm.
the world's only 15% tech. And why I bring that up is the price action that you see here on the Nasdaq, does reflect the risk of a double top developing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it looks like a novel. I can't
Yeah,
wait,
and
man. Yeah.
then you've seen the relative price action of Nasdaq versus S&P already
Mm.
break down, so underperforming. Uh,
Oh, and it's below
the,
200 day. Yeah.
the key culprit is still the Mag 7. That was the tailwind for the US and now has been the headwind since October for tech.
Mm.
So we quite haven't broken down yet for both the Nasdaq and the Mag 7. It's the 200-day moving average as well as the November lows.
So it hasn't broken down. Okay, and that shit, that blue line is 50 day? Oh, 200 day. Okay, okay. So
200-day.
it's
Yeah.
the other way around. So it's coming up to it. Okay. So it's
So,
holding for the time being. Yeah.
well, the risk, the point here, the risk is building for a breakdown. The relative underperformance is coming through.
Mm.
You've obviously seen the collapse in the software side.
All right.
So you're already
Also, this
back.
is the AI threatened group, right? Yeah.
Yep. You're already back at the April 25 lows.
Oh man. Okay, I didn't realize.
So
Yeah.
yeah,
Oh,
the
but
relative.
which date is this report? I'm just gonna go read about it.
So this is just a presentation slide from updated on Monday's closes.
Oh, okay. Do you
There'll
mind if
be
I ask you for it later, right, via email?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. So, but back to
Cybersecurity.
back to the Mag 7, you're saying that those are, right now it could break down, right? Yeah.
Yeah. So you've broken down already in relative terms.
Yes.
The absolute charts looks like a topping pattern. The confirmation of that would be a break below the November
Mm, this is cool.
2025 lows and the 200-day moving average.
Okay. And the software is a smaller component of it. You wouldn't read too much across to it, right? But you're just saying that one component of it has broken already, right?
So the software side has led the downside. Microsoft is part of this, right?
All
So
right.
I wouldn't say it's a small component.
I see.
If you look at tech globally, software is a big portion of US tech, right?
Mm,
Where Asia's hardware.
yes, I see. I
So
see.
this is a way on US tech in particular.
Mm,
So the only
wow.
other place that you have sort of a software weighting is India.
Got it. Got it. Okay. Well, this is a blind side to me. That's why my space has been doing well, and I've not been on the boat, right, which is really annoying. Okay, okay.
Well, I
We could
mean,
come to XLV
to
later.
that point, what you've seen because money's come out of
Yeah,
tech
XLV actually. Yeah.
and,
Oh,
no, I'll show. I want to show you. It's
Mm.
the rotation into defensives.
Oh, defenses.
Because one of the surprising sort of requests that I had on the road was, what do I think about consumer staples? Because a lot of the funds were looking at Walmart, and Walmart has a P of now 50, but it's the fund flows out of tech into these smaller
Ah,
spaces. So that's consumer staples.
this is
Obviously,
helpful.
you
Yeah, yeah,
mentioned
yeah.
your space, but so this is rotation out of tech that's trying to find a home elsewhere.
Yes.
Healthcare hasn't quite seen that acceleration, but it's held up, and it does look like XLV can break out of this triangle consolidation.
Mm.
The other place that's benefited from the rotation out of tech has been energy. So
Energy.
energy and staples are probably the two big ones, and
I
obviously
think,
that's
yeah,
energy.
I see, I see. I think what happened in XLV is that there are two components. One is still getting smashed by Trump, is the insurer, right? The
Yep,
UNH. And
yep.
then within that, the DRG. So I was going to ask you for this too, if you don't mind, right? Just to complete the discussion. So the UNH and the DRG, yeah, yeah, exactly. UNH as the bellwether, yeah.
So DRG,
Also hasn't broken out yet. Oh well, it
well,
has in a sense, yeah.
you have made new highs.
Yeah, what the hell,
I mean,
man?
the one
Yeah.
thing that I would highlight, that was the base that you broke out from. You do have
Uh,
you do have slowing upside momentum here, though.
okay, that sucks. Okay, fine. Then what about the UNH group?
Remember,
So nowhere close to the smashed up zone yet. Yeah. Oh wow.
so that was the breakdown, right? So
Yeah.
this 400 is now resistance. This was
All
the
right.
divergence low.
Yeah. Oh my
Um,
goodness.
so where it sits right now, if you drop below 264, maybe you get a divergence. But
Mm.
yeah, there's the bottom of the range at 235.
Oh my goodness. Okay. But now you're looking for 264 divergence first before we buy some with
Well,
a risk of going down to 235, right?
yeah, I mean, there's no reason to buy yet. So first look for a retest of 264, then see if there's any divergence. But
I
there's
see.
risk that you could trade to 235.
Got it. Got it. Okay, this is helpful. So we've finished your macro slides, yeah?
Um, so even the leadership group, which you can obviously see would been semiconductors, which has basically been, it hasn't been NVIDIA, it's been the storage and
Mm.
memory names like Micron and SanDisk in the US, and obviously the Korean names Hynix and Samsung have done extremely well. But this is the divergence that you've seen on the SOX index.
Mm.
So again, this supports the idea that upside momentum slowing, which makes it more of a take profit. So you've got software leading the downside, you've got Mag 7 double top, and you've even got the leadership side showing slowing upside momentum. And then I think the big one that it's hard to quantify, what the risks are here. But this is where liquidity can become an issue, is the breakdown in the private credit ETF.
Mm. Got it. Oh yeah,
And
that's the blue owl thingy, all right?
well,
Something
yeah,
like
I
that.
mean, Blue Owl is part of that broke down last year. Apollo broke down on Friday.
Oh, wow. That's all new. That's private credit, right?
Well, so these are listed alternate asset managers which
Yeah.
participate in both private credit and equity. Blue Owl's obviously been the poster child because they've been the ones in the headlines of limiting access to
Yeah.
funds and the like.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. So this is a flag in the tail risk, right? Yeah.
Well, this is the point that I'd make here. Remember, home builders peaked 12 months before
Mm.
the S&P did in 2007. So yes, this can become an issue, but it can take some time before the market pays attention to it. But
Got
there's
it.
more and more headlines now, warning from Jamie Dimon, to a few other hedge funds warning about this space.
Yeah.
The
So
price
actually,
action is quote.
yeah, actually this morning, right, I was gonna ask you because I saw some very bad news about OpenAI. You know that the guy lost his cool on a call with his investor, right? Apparently he's revised his spending budget. That's one thing. The other thing is Bitcoin. I just want to check this too, right? To try to understand whether I should be buying more of my XLV and DRG stuff, right? Yeah.
So sorry, so what was the question?
Yeah, so there was two parts of macro bad news. One in open AI, right? Any proxies on open AI or AI plays, right? And then the other one was on Bitcoin, Bitcoin blowups, right? The reason why I'm asking about these two is that these two has been the long side of a XLV funding short, right? Yeah.
The AI side is now in two parts, right?
You will use socks. Yeah, okay, fine.
Well,
Yeah.
no, no. I mean, the AI is split into the builders, which is the
Mm,
semiconductors, and
yeah.
it's the spenders, which is the Mag 7 essentially.
All right. Yeah.
So
Got it.
the Mag 7, the hyperscalers, which dominates the Mag 7, have been under
Mm,
pressure since October last year and
yeah.
underperforming. But the builders, being the semiconductors, have been outperforming. But my point here is the hyperscalers look like a double top. The builders look like you've got slowing upside momentum.
Mm, mm. Got it. Okay, that's awesome. Great. Thank you so much for this.
I mean,
Uh,
Bitcoin's a bit more of a longer answer to the question, but I've got slides here for you.
yes. What's your thought on Bitcoin? Yeah.
So there's two macro models that people look at. One, the halving cycle.
Yeah. It's not been acting like the playbook, right? Yeah.
I mean, it's worked. I mean, as simple as it looks, it's worked like a charm. In that,
Yeah, the last four rounds.
well,
Yeah.
you've had the peak of the bull markets that you typically see, 12 months before, 12 months after the halving event, which happened in April 24. And now you're
Oh,
basically on the bear market side.
well, I can't see the halving event in April 24.
Well, that was, yeah.
Okay, that was a halving event? Sorry, what
Yep.
is that red line, vertical red line? Now? That's the point mark of the halving event, right?
That's the date of the halving event.
Well, on this chart, I can't see any of it because it's a log chart, right? I'm guessing.
Yeah, yeah. But
That's
I mean, this
crazy.
chart up here just shows you that each halving event,
Ah,
the returns have been smaller, which you would expect in a maturing asset.
all right. I see. Are
And,
we
and
at
and
the halving? Yeah.
the other side of this is that the declines are also smaller. The first decline was 94%, the second decline was 80, and the third was 70 odd. So
Oh,
it
and
is on.
today we are in the green line. Is that what we are?
So we're talking about this side. This is the halving event. This is a different model. I haven't got to this one yet.
Oh, I'm just trying to ask, where's our current, where are we cl relative to the halving event? We're nowhere close, is it?
So the last halving event was April 24. The
Yeah.
next halving event is 2028.
Oh,
Every
it's
4 years.
literally a 4 year cycle. Okay, I
Well, it
get
is
it.
a 4 year cycle.
Yeah, okay, I see.
So the point on this is that the market bottoms before the actual halving event by roughly 12 to 9 months.
Mm,
So on that score, you start to see a more positive halving cycle price action from next year, April, May.
all right, I see. Oh,
So
I can tell that
basically,
some experts were wrong. Yeah,
you're on the bear market side of the halving event currently.
I see, I see. Wow,
The
this is a excellent call, man. Yeah,
the other thing that people look at is global money supply, which is the green line here.
yeah, that's been slowing
Um,
a bit. Yeah.
so typically, and the two shaded gray areas I'm highlighting because those were on the bear market side of the halving event. But
Mm,
if you get a pickup in global money supply, you had two rallies here of over 100%.
yeah, yeah.
I mean, right
Okay.
now you don't have a pickup in global money supply.
Are we
And
going
then
to get that with the new Fed chair, you think? I'm just
well,
trying to
I
understand.
think just for the model, let it show up.
All right. I let it show up first, right? Yeah.
Well, yeah, who knows? I mean, maybe he becomes more hawkish, and then you sell gold and you buy U.S. Treasuries rather than Bitcoin or gold, right? Who knows how he sort of plays it out at the end of the day, or how the
Mm,
market interprets it. But for me, look for the delta of empty money supply to start to increase.
okay. This is awesome. Great. Thank you so much.
And then final point is typically the 200-week moving average has been the level you buy it. That's at 58,000.
58,000. Well, shit, that's a long way away.
Well,
Okay.
the way Bitcoin moves, you can see that in a week, right?
Yeah, I know. Whoa, this is impressive. Okay, okay, this is awesome. Cool. Then, can I start with a few tickers first, right? It's not really mine. 1299 HK, then BNPFP, BNP. Yeah. Okay. That's then GLE, FP, GLE FP.
So,
Yeah.
okay, look at
Yes.
European banks. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just asking this for my firm. Uh, BARC space LN. Yeah. Let's go with this first.
I mean, best case on AIA here is that we're trying to consolidate in a higher range and we get a new breakout. So it has been a stair-step uptrend.
Oh.
So as long as we hold above 80, it looks like we're getting an 80 to roughly 90 trading range. Breaking through the 90 to 91 area would extend that uptrend, and you'd be looking at 100 as the next target.
Mm. I see. I see. Okay. And the next one?
I mean, all the European banks are quite similar. You can see trending phases here. The
Yep.
only small issue you have right now is some slowing upside momentum.
Mm. Exponential momentum. Okay. Got it. Got it. SocGen. Yeah.
SocGen,
Oh, as
um,
well. Yeah.
yeah, it's slowing upside. So, it looks like when we've had slowing upside before, that stocks have tended to go into a trading range, right?
But it looks like also on the verge of a breakout, right? So
Well,
actually, you would take profit first and wait for a clear sign of a breakout before you
well,
chase it.
well, for me, this is more than likely to set up a trading range like you had here
I
in
see.
the third quarter of last year, and then you can buy the breakout.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine.
So, I mean, I think the one key takeaway is that you don't have
Mm.
any bearish breakdowns. Most of these European banks are either still trending higher,
Yep.
or as in Barclays' case, in a holding pattern or trading range.
Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay, that's awesome. Cool. So, can we start with the the usual LLY? Yeah. Then Novo B, the disaster, NOVOB. Yeah. And then the third one being 4519, and then PFE. Yeah.
So since breaking out of the range, we've really just gone
Mm.
into a holding pattern. Um, I mean, I think because you had high momentum here,
Mm.
I'd be looking for this to resolve to the upside. And
Yeah.
then two other points
I thought it would have
is
happened already because if you saw what happened in Novo, my goodness. What, really? Shh. Oh, okay, okay.
so
What
that
what what would be the number? Yeah,
just hold on.
yeah.
So there's two things, right? There's the
A small,
short-term range. So
yeah,
breaking above at 1,112 gives you a
yeah,
first target at
at 1250.
1241.
Yeah,
And then the bigger trading range breakout gives you 1333.
I see. Only if it breaks above the red line first, right? Yeah.
Well, you've already broken out of this range, right?
Ah, yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah, that's
I think
true.
it's just a matter of time for the next breakout.
Super impressive. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. So, and then
Uh,
the exact opposite.
Give me 2 seconds here. I just
Yeah.
want to go back to an old framework that should have markings on it.
Ah, okay. Got it.
I mean, super disappointing in that the breakdown
Mm,
here, momentum still confirming it, right?
yes.
So in theory,
Oh my goodness.
that suggests a move down to
200.
basically 200.
I thought so. Okay. Cool. True guy? Yeah. Ah, this is the bizarre thing. Japan is like everyone needs to own it.
Yeah. So you basically get an
What?
upside target of
12,000.
12,000.
Yeah. Okay, cool. And Pfizer? Yeah.
So you broke out the downtrend channel. Then you've had the secondary triangle here.
Mm,
So that's looking for an
31.
extension to
Yeah.
the upside towards 31.
Okay, that's great. We can buy some because Novo is gone, right? The next
Yep.
obesity player is actually Pfizer. Okay, that's
Right.
cool. And then if we flip back to the first tab, can we do 4568? Yeah. This is another disaster which I refuse to give up. 4543, and then let's do 4578. Okay, and let's do uh sorry, 6618. Yeah,
Hong
that's
Kong.
right. Yes.
So you had divergence here. This breakdown, you've had momentum confirm the lows.
Yeah, that was what's confusing. So should still be. I know it's broken back into the range, right? Yeah.
Not with a lot of conviction, but yeah, I mean, we've managed to
Squeeze back in.
today squeeze up into it. The 50 days next resistance.
Okay, what would
So
make you positive or constructive and buy it?
if you make a new low below 284 and the RSI doesn't confirm it, I'll get a divergence. Getting back into
Oh,
this range doesn't sort of get me super bulled up at all. Could you trade higher in it? Yes. Is it high conviction? No.
mm, okay, that's amazing. Okay, you need a new low. Okay, and then terrible?
Well, that'll give me a setup to talk about. Right now,
Yes,
you've
yes.
had a high momentum low. Yes, you recapture this range, and
I
it could trade
mm,
high in the range. It's just not a high conviction setup that though.
got it, got it. And terrible?
So there's a small divergence that you've had develop here.
Exactly. But and the low wasn't confirmed by momentum, right? That's the slightly better
That's the
part.
divergence.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
that's the divergence.
Mm,
So the next level is obviously the 50-day and the highs that you made here
yeah.
on the 9th of February. So breaking above 2150, would get you on track to get to trade back to 2350.
Oh, right. What? Oh, sorry. What was the precondition again? You say that? Yeah.
Breaking above the 50-day
Yeah. Okay.
and the 9th of February high.
Yes. Okay. Got it. Okay. Cool. That's very positive. And 4578.
So this was the original base. And then you've had two trading ranges. Momentum still confirming the highs. I
What?
just don't have any
Yeah.
new upside target for you though.
I know. I know. Yeah. But it's been so weak that I've given up. I know the momentum
Weak or
confirmed the high.
strong?
Actually, weak recently. After it made a high, it's a flunk, right?
Well, I mean, that's high momentum peak and it's really just gone sideways. It's still above the 20-day. So,
I see. I see.
I mean, I can't give you a measured target, but you should break and make new highs.
Okay. That's a surprise. Okay. Cool. Let's see, JD. Yeah.
So it's still in this messy trading range.
Yeah, is this a buy? Because I see the turn day just there, and it looks like it's an RSI buy. At least a short
Uh,
term one.
yeah, I mean, I don't see any divergence, but I think the simple point is you've got a
Mm.
very clear support area
Ah,
where you can limit your downside risk to,
six,
6%.
7%. Okay,
And if
okay.
you trade it to the top of the range,
It's
it's
17.
almost,
Yeah,
yeah,
that's
almost a
amazing.
3 to 1.
Okay, cool. If we flip back to the front, right? Can we do AZN? Okay. Uh, ROG. Yeah. NOVN and BAYN. Whoa, shit, man. This Astra.
So just to
It's
review,
done whatever we hope it was going to do, but I'm not on the ship.
see if it's got any more juice left.
Yeah, I know. Oh, breakout. Yeah.
The first target's been hit.
Mm,
Second target, there's probably a little bit more to go.
minimal, right? Yeah.
I mean, the
And
one
and
thing
and
also, the
yeah,
RSI divergence there. So yeah, it does look like more you take profits into strength.
yeah. But it's so unassailable. You see the last time I missed out was in October, right? Right in a tour day, and it just went vertically up.
Yeah.
Bizarre. Yeah, yeah. Okay, cool. And we take a look at Roche. Yeah. How? This is bizarre, man. Yeah. Whoa. It's a breakout. Okay, okay, fine.
I mean, again, this similarly in the short term, there's slowing upside now. There's
I
no
know,
new
right?
upside. There's
Yeah.
no new upside target either.
Yeah. Okay, got it. Let's take a look at Novartis. Yeah. Wow.
So that was a breakout, secondary breakout. Yeah, momentum's still strong, but no new targets though.
Ah. Oh my goodness. Shit. Okay, I missed out the whole space. Okay, can we look at Bayer? Yeah. I know. This is bizarre. Oh man. Oh, it got exactly there, huh?
Yep.
And would you buy it more now? I know it's coming back to the what,
Well,
100
I
day?
mean, the only that's a 50-day. The only thing you can do is, the big trade was the break above 31.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now you can use a 50-day as a stop level,
Yeah.
looking for a move back to 50. But yeah, I don't have any new upside targets, but it's all about just managing
Yes.
risk.
Understood. Understood.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. If you flip back to the first tab, is SANFP. Okay. Then ALC. Yeah. And then the third one is SDZ. Okay. And then AFX.
So yeah, pretty stagnant here.
Hmm.
Past momentum divergence. I mean, I guess the positive as far as slowing downside momentum, bottom of the range. So
Yeah,
limited downside.
I see. But it's also a weakish thing, right? It's not like going anywhere. Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's not going anywhere, but if you're looking at a bottom fishing buy, that ticks two boxes of support and slowing downside, right?
Yes. I did get some. Okay, got it. And Elcon? Oh, that's what the hell?
So you had some divergence into this low. You made a higher low, and it does look like you're breaking out now.
Hmm. Oh,
So
we still be in time, right? Yeah.
yeah,
Hmm.
so basically 73, 74.
Hmm.
So yeah, no measured target, but momentum's rising with this move. So uptrend intact.
Oh, okay. Got it. Got it. Okay, that's awesome. And Carl's eyes? Yeah.
I mean, there's a small divergence here.
Oh,
That
yeah.
last
Okay.
divergence led to, that sideways range. So, maybe you get another range here.
I see. I see. Okay, so this is way out of whack. Okay, cool. Can we take a look at LONN? Okay, and then Zeal, Zeal. and then GSK, and then MRKGY. Yeah, space GY. Yeah.
So Lonza.
Oh, very, very range bound, right? Yeah.
Yeah, very tight range there. As you can see, no real evidence. I mean, again, you can manufacture a trade by using 500 as a stop level, looking for a trade up to 600. But where does this get more constructive as a breakthrough 600?
Yep. Yep. Okay, got it. Okay. There's Zeal.
So also, being capped on the upside, rolling back, support
Hmm.
is around that
Where's
300
the
mark,
lower end? 300. Is that it?
300. Yep.
Ah, I was 20% down, then we can get some. Okay, and GSK? Yeah.
So here you've met the upside targets.
Yeah.
We'll just go
And
back because
divergence.
you can
Yeah.
make no. So momentum. Well, I mean, it's a small divergence. You're right in that.
Yeah.
But I'll just highlight one last thing here.
The big range. Yeah. Oh my
Yeah. So
goodness.
there's a little bit more 24, 25.
Yeah. Okay, got it. And Merck?
So you've had the divergence. You've got the outline of a base here. So it just needs a little bit more work to close above 132 to confirm that base.
Oh, okay. Okay, got it. Got it. Sorry, did we do SDZ? We did, right? SDZ. Never mind.
Yes, that's the uptrend, no upside
Oh,
target.
yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, then we're done. Let me go to US side. It's J&J, okay. Then ABBV, okay. Then BMY, then AMGN. Okay, cool.
So, I mean, blown past the target, but you can see very consistent momentum profile. 50 days been support for the uptrend. I just can't give you any new targets. So,
So this thing is acting like a defensive, right? Like a staple.
yep, yep,
My goodness. You see, right? I didn't know what was going on, but now I know because it's the staple.
yep.
It's not like a usual medtech. Okay, got it. And
No,
AbbVie? Yeah,
yeah,
ABBV.
it's just fund flows into defenses, basically.
Ah, so the lose money on that was just annoying. Nothing to do with fundamentals. Yeah. Oh, and it went back to the 200 day and it bounced. Yeah.
So there's still, so that red rectangle, we should break out of that. The original
Hmm.
breakout still gives
To get to
you
that, yeah.
280.
My goodness. Okay, and then BMY. I can't buy any of this junk. I need some. Oh, what? It's ran away already. Yeah.
Yeah, so already hit the upside targets, but momentum profile still looks okay.
Okay, fine. Uh, but you're looking like it's going to 70, right, before it reaches any issues, right?
Yeah, it doesn't look like any divergence yet. So yeah, next resistance is at 70.
Yeah, okay. And Amgen? Oh, so actually it's been acting like the defensives, right?
Well, I
Ev-
think the biotech side, it's probably been
yeah,
a place where you can still look for that sort of the beta growth side again away from tech because tech hasn't worked. So
yeah.
444 is the upside.
Okay, okay, cool. And then first tab, let's do BRTX. Okay. Then next tab, let's do GILD, and then REGN. And the last one, let's do BNTX.
Was that VNTX?
B for Bravo. Yeah, okay, cool. Hmm. This one
So
I
yeah,
yeah, I didn't have the balls to buy it. Yeah.
a break above 500 obviously would be super constructive.
Hmm.
It's
Almost there, right? Yeah.
35% upside.
Hmm. Okay. Deal.
When you've already broken out of that range and the secondary higher consolidation pattern, so the upside targets are well past.
Hmm.
But momentum did confirm the highs, so that can keep on trending.
Hmm. Okay. And then the next tab.
So the
Oh,
original base, you hit the upside target. But what's
yeah.
quite interesting here is, this looks like another setup where you
Range.
could break out again,
I see.
getting higher lows.
Where would you put the upper limit at? Oh, yeah, you put it at the top of it. Yeah.
Yes.
2822, right? Okay, got it.
Yeah, 825. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. And BioNTech? Yeah.
So yeah, the breakout area is 128.
Okay, cool. Then let's one more tab in this front. Is SMMT. S S S for
Oh, yes.
yeah. Two M's. SMMT. Yeah, okay, cool. And then I'll give you other tickets now. Hold on. ISRG, BSX, B for Bravo. BSX. BSX. Yeah, Boston Scientific. S for Sierra.
Oh,
B,
sorry.
yeah, Sierra.
No, no, sorry. Give me that BF.
S for Sierra.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. The first
Oh,
one.
the top one. Sorry. Yep, got
Yeah.
it. Sorry.
BSX and then ABT. Yeah. Okay, cool.
So this looks vulnerable in that you didn't get divergence. You
Oh.
broke support. You've come back. So yeah, that looks vulnerable.
Mm. Uh, if it breaks below the low again, you will short it, right?
I mean, I think you shorted here back at the 50-day.
Okay, I'll do that. Yep, yep. Okay. And then SM Intuitive? Yeah.
So also just a trading range here.
Oh.
Um, no signs of slowing downside. So there's potential to trade back to 420.
Mm. Okay. And then BSX? Yeah.
So
Oh
here
yeah. This is exactly doing it. Yeah.
you've already, I think, met the downside target.
Mm.
And there's a bit of divergence, so just cover shorts.
Would you buy? Yes, right, for a bounce.
I mean, it's a bottom fishing buy on the fact that you've got divergence, you've hit the downside target.
Ah, I see. I see. ABT? Yeah. Oh, this is the low was confirmed by momentum, right?
Yep. So basically, we'd look to sell the rally.
Yeah, a bit higher at the red line, right? Yeah.
Well, yeah, wouldn't you don't need to be too cute, but yeah, 50-day and 117 to 119.
Okay. Wow, this is interesting. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Cool. This is the first shot that is clean cut today. Okay, and then ALNY, NY, yeah, and then MDT, and then let's say TMO, DHR. Yeah. Thank you.
So no signs of slowing downside momentum. There is support here, though.
Oh,
Previous highs, previous lows. So maybe retesting 300 sets up a divergence.
oh, that's great. Let's look for that. Okay, cool. And Medtronic?
So the original base, the uptrend that's developed from there looks like we're trying to work off the divergence potentially just with this trading range. And
Yeah.
why I say that is that this original base still gives you an upside target of 110. So the way that I'd be thinking about this is you can use the 200 days as a stop level
Mm.
to try and limit your downside risk. And you've got the potential still to trade up to that 110 area.
Oh, okay. That's a shock. Okay, got it. And the next one?
I mean, big reversal, momentum confirmed the lows. Yeah,
Oh, that's crazy. But when would it be a buy?
I mean, I'll see if a divergence develops. It could be just on retesting the lows. It could be back at 458.
And let me tell you what happened, right? I think this whole space has been hit by AI scare like the software.
Yep.
Yeah, which is remarkable. Okay, we'll come to that. Okay, so but you would look at 462. Okay, got it. Yeah, next one. Same shit. Yeah.
Yes, also no divergence, no real support around here until you get down to 180.
Oh, okay, 180. How cool is that? Okay, cool. And then the first tab, let's do IQV. Okay, and then two other strange tickers, ARWR. Then IONS. S. Yeah. And then the last one is just Agilent, a single A. Yeah, that's right. Ah, AI related scare. So what do you
Yeah.
think?
So
Yeah.
also no divergence.
Yeah, you
Uh,
will look for it in the 140 region, right?
Yeah, I mean, the 150, 140 region, you can relook at it.
What on earth, man? Yeah, okay. And Arrowhead? Yeah.
This is at least held up, but clearly you have had slowing upside momentum there.
Yes.
So best case, it just holds its range, but any break below 60, does open the downside risk towards 48.
Oh, okay. Okay. Shit. Okay. Ionis? Yeah.
So another one with clear slowing upside here.
Oh, wow. It's a surprise. Okay. And Agilent?
So also, we've been capped by this resistance zone here.
Uh,
The fall hasn't set up a divergence yet, and there's some support at 110.
yeah. Okay, cool. Sorry, if you go back to the first tab, I forgot one ticker. Oh, what did I forget actually? Um, sorry, just skip my mind. Uh, oh, ABVX under bid spec. VX. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. And then the next one, let's do UNH and then ELV. And the third one, let's do MCK. Next, we'll go to the US.
Bit of a funny one, but basically range trading here.
I see. Where's the lower end? 100,
Yep,
105, right?
yep.
Okay.
Well, basically 100, yep.
The funny thing is this thing is under bid spec at nearly double the price.
Right.
So yeah, just trying to see if where to buy it, okay? Okay, then UNH? Yeah.
Yes, I know change on this one, no divergence, can retest the lows, but first
Mm,
support's at 264.
shit, this one looks like a Novo. Okay. And Elevance? Yeah.
So it's also one where we've broken down
Yeah.
upside cap. There is support at 300.
Yeah, you only revisit it at 300, right?
Yeah, 300. And again, risk of retesting the lows like UNH.
Oh my goodness. Okay. And then McKesson? Yeah. Oh, this is the most consistently bullish stock in the world and in my world. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, the old highs acting as support like it has in previous, so that keeps the trend intact.
Okay. Okay, got it. Got it. Okay, cool. Cool. All right, yeah, we flip back to the first tab. I'll just give a couple of Japan tickers. 4901, 4503, 4507, and 4523. Then we're done with Japan. Yeah.
Uh, Obviously, broad trading range here. Within that range, there is some support by the lows that you made in July of last year. There is a small divergence here. So
Mm.
tactically, you can trade this. A break above the 50-day would reinforce the trade back towards the top of the range.
Oh, wow. That's surprisingly bullish. Okay. Yep.
So no new upside targets, but clearly some divergence here.
Don't dare to short this crap.
So,
Eh, Actually, we should be shorting it, right?
well, there is divergence here.
Yeah, okay, fine. Let's see Shonogi.
So you've just hit the upside target, but no divergence yet.
That's so remarkable. The whole priority change, yeah. ASI? Yeah.
So really trying to break out here.
I'm totally amazed. This is a worst stock in my space. Okay.
Momentum looks like it's wanting to confirm it. So
Yeah, I know. And people don't want Daiichi, they want this bullshit. Okay,
yeah,
fine. Yeah. Okay, cool. Then Chinese tickers then. I'll be quick, right? 600 276 Hungary. Then 1801 3692 1530. Oh, you are so quick with your. Oh no, Hungary is it loading?
yeah. What was it? 300?
600 276. Yeah, okay. Let's go to Innovent first. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, loaded down here. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Um,
Probably need to zoom in. Yeah.
Sorry, this is all jumping around here. Yeah, no divergence, unfortunately, here. And we did break below the 200-day. You also broke
Mm,
down from that attempt to consolidate late
that's
last
so
year, early
strange.
this year.
Yeah.
It does look like you could leak a bit
53.
lower towards 53. I mean, yeah, the 50 area is still a major support zone, but
Yeah, I know, right? But I have no idea why it would get there.
yeah.
Okay, fine. Let's go to Innovent.
So here, trying to break out of this downtrend channel.
Oh, this is more constructive. Huh?
Yeah, we did have slowing downside momentum back here on the test around the 200-day.
Yeah, yeah,
But obviously, we wanted to get a bit more momentum to confirm the breakout there.
yeah, towards the high. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, the next one. This is a complete breakdown.
yeah. So this again, double top resistance,
Oh
slowing
crap.
upside.
Yeah.
I mean, this does look like you're potentially breaking down from that
Yes.
double top, right? So
Yes. So this is actually risky, right? Yeah.
yeah, so
I
it's
will
a
get it out.
20%
Yeah.
risk of
But this thing has
27.
been so crazy. It's like 6% move every day, plus minus, plus minus. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay, so this is scary. And then 3S?
So we've also broken down here.
Oh my goodness. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah. And you can't buy it, right? None of
No.
the RSI buy happening. Yeah.
So that gets you
18.
18. So yeah,
Shit.
1830.
Oh, luckily I checked in the view. Okay, cool. Sorry. Then 1093. Sorry. Yeah, 1093. Then 1177. Okay. And then let's do, sorry, let's do 2359 and then 2269. Then we're almost covered. Yeah. Oh, there's one last
So
ticker. Yeah.
I mean, has had the recovery from the 200-day, but we're back at sort of pretty meaningful resistance.
Mm,
I mean, if you're long, I think you can stay long as you hold above this 50-day for, at least
yeah,
a test of the
11.3.
previous highs. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, got it.
So this is where we have had slowing downside and you've got an attempt to base out here. So critical support's at
Yeah,
607,
yeah.
and the breakout or confirmation of the base is a move through 744.
Okay. Sorry, on the CSPC tab, can I give you one more ticker? The last one, 6990. Okay, cool. And then let's go to the WUSI first. Yeah.
So really trying to break out here.
Did it break out or did it break
Well, it
down?
broke out and it pulled back.
Yeah. Okay, and still
So,
you're still bullish it, right? Yeah.
so it needs to break below the 50-day to suggest that this is a failed breakout.
Okay, okay. I see you still give a benefit of doubt. All right.
Yep.
Okay.
And then Wuxi Aptec,
Oh, in a similar situation.
yeah.
Yeah.
So again, 50 days key, because if you are going to break out of these ranges for both these names, it should hold above the 50-day.
Okay, that's cool. Can we take a look at the last one? All right, yeah.
So again, it's still this trading range.
Uh,
Not a clear divergence there because price is falling, RSI is falling, but you've clearly got support at the
at
384.
840. Yeah, okay, got it. Sorry, two last tickers, right? BDMS. Yeah. And then
In
the last
Thailand.
one, yeah, and the last one is 853HK. Then we're done. Oh, it's been rallied and off an RSI buy,
Yep.
right?
So you had that last sort of leg down that set up the divergence.
Oh
I
my
mean, what I
goodness.
think's going to develop here, or what I'd be looking for.
Yeah. Ah, yes. That's fun.
Yeah, so this pullback that you get should hold around those moving averages. So what I mean is that
I
20
see. Yeah.
area,
Yes.
but it makes 22.55 as the breakout point, and that would
Yeah.
get you
But if
back
I
to
see the
30.
20 area, I should buy some, right? For
I think
that.
so. I think
Hmm.
so.
Okay, cool. And then my coupon. Oh, holding a tornado.
Well, yes, also the big breakout area from last year's trading range.
You give it benefit of doubt, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. I was
uh,
trying to short this, but it's okay. Thank you so much,
no problem.
Lawrence. Yeah, yeah. You have a good day ahead. Okay.
You
Thank
too.
you. All
Cheers.
right.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye bye.